Yo, Mike here. I tried to do the furthest barefoot ski ever recorded. Now the aim of the game is distance, and we measured my distances with the drone. 2 rules. It only counts if you land back on the board and right out. And 2, butt checks don't count. Now before you watch any further, I want you to guess how far you think I can barefoot ski and leave your best guess in the comments down below, and we'll find out just how accurate you are. Opening up the session with a banger of a slide, skiing 77.2 meters. But I didn't land it. Stay tuned until later in the video to see how we measured these skis. Skiing nice and close to the sandbank to get the smoothest flat water. Monstrous. 82 meters far. But I didn't land it. Yes! First points on the board with a 66.6 meter far slide. Look at how far forward I steer the kite to gain more speed and cover more distance. Now guys, it's a known fact that subscribing to my channel increases line tension, so smash that subscribe button. Ah, classic. Look at this chap downwind. He doesn't look upwind before leaving the beach and he cuts me off. So guys, I'm working on a video about modern kite etiquette. If you pay careful attention to pro riders, you'll notice that we ride in an orderly, systematic way. This gives us space to have fun and be safe out there. So having seen these systems working so well, I want to share them with everyone. So stay tuned for my modern kite etiquette video. This one's looking promising. Oh no, I didn't steer the kite correctly. So I should have sheeted out more over here so that the kite would fly higher in the window. Uh-oh, I'm only 11 slides into my day and the tide is starting to rise. The water has started covering the sandbar and taking away my precious flat water. Finally, a nice clean landing. Because I had good line tension, I got picked up by the kite. If you love slides, then you're gonna love these tees from bigairkite.com. So not the furthest one of the day, but at this point, I'm just happy to be landing something. This has not been my day. So for perspective, let's compare the water at the start of the session to now. It was so smooth before, and now it's choppy. I definitely need to time my session better next time. And look at how I got lifted up at the end of the ski. That's a good one. Yes, a new record. guys, the trick to landing these long ones is to keep your feet pressed firmly into the water while you try to steer your kite directly above your head. This is basically edging with your feet, and it keeps the lines nice and tight so that when the kite goes over your head, it lifts you up out of the water. All right, looking good. Hitting a bit of a speed bump there. How far is it gonna be? Oh, only 62.4 meters, but a nice landing. So guys, I'm looking for challenges. Now, if you know someone who's a boss at barefoot skis, drop their name or Instagram handle in the comments down below. If you want to see me eat shit, then stay tuned. With the tide being high, I decided to go for a sushi roll. All right, that was cool. Let's go for another one. But halfway through, I decided to abort the plan and I almost die. So how did we measure my skis? We filmed with the Mavic 3 drone at 75 meters and 100 meters high. We used a pool to measure how long this distance is. The pool that you can see in this drone shot is 15.14 meters long. When we shot from 75 meters high, the screen is 7.58 pool lengths or 114.77 meters in length. When we shoot from 100 meters high, your screen is 10.06 pool lengths or 152.4 meters. So if I ski half the screen, then I've skied 76.2 meters. Now guys, if you want to challenge my record, you just need to get a Mavic 3 drone, put it to 100 meters high and measure them just like I did. So the furthest ski I landed today was 67.8 meters. Honestly, that's a pretty medium length one for me. I'm pretty sure I can crack 85 meters on a good day. And the ultimate goal is to get 100 meters. Shout out to Durex and any other slippery brands out there. If you want to partner with me on my journey to 100 meters, then send me an email at mike@gethighwithmike.com. So if you got any questions or comments, I'll see you in the comments below. Rider of the episode is Jan Kamenek. I was riding with him a lot this season in Brazil. Give the man a follow on Instagram if you want to see some crazy technical kite loop board off variations. Now I made another video for you and I think you're going to love it. You can watch that one over here and you can subscribe over here. Thanks so much for watching. Muchos besos and adios.